Customer states the Alternator will not charge. Ah, I see the problem here. Hey, sir, I assume you downloaded the app and calibrated this new Bluetooth serpentine pulley setup you have here? My brother's recently single, so he started getting back in the dating game. Because I'm such a fantastic brother, I installed some stuff in his car to remind him to always be safe. Alright, let's see what we got here. AC is blowing hot air. Well, let's see it. Yep. Hey, Bill. Let her know that the repair is free, but there's a $100 charge for stupidity. Shop fee. There is a $100 charge for a shop fee. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just waiting for my possessed car to stop seizing. Are we ready to go, buddy? Nope. Okay. Take your time.
Here is another tech tip from the Hindsight Mechanic.
If your oil filter's begun to fossilize, you probably should have already changed your oil and filter.
That was your tech tip from the Hindsight Mechanic.
Brought to you by Noob, the slickest on earth.
Are you having a good day? Well, let me ruin that for you real quick. Someone took this perfectly gorgeous 50s F100, and those sick b****s dropped it on a Toyota 4Runner power plant with its interior. Is nothing sacred anymore? I mean, who am I kidding? This thing's actually pretty cool. Customer brought this in for suspension noise. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is, your suspension's fine. Customer claims he's randomly hearing a weird sound coming from the dash. This one was a hard one to find, but after a full teardown, the problem was located. So, now we have a shop cat. His name is Lug Nut.
Well, now, folks, you see, after getting sent up north, Bo and Luke weren't used to driving on anything colder than a jug of Daisy's sweet tea, so when they saw that big old snow pile by the roadside, they hit it like a ramp and sank straight in, stuck tighter than Boss Hog in a diner booth. Well, I guess some boys just learned that snow don't jump near as good as dirt.
Well, this customer said that he heard a loud bang and had an immediate loss of power. And it looks like old Pulley boy is whistling for the Lord now. Customer brought this car in because it's been having some strange issues since he fixed his own wiring last week. And I'll tell you this, absolutely nothing could have prepared me for what was found. But if you call this a fix, it's probably better for everyone that you never work on cars again. Is that a f***ing hose clamp, dude? Sometimes when your car has issues, all it needs is a gentle little pet. But cars are a lot like cats in that it's very easy to pet too much. Let's have a moment of silence for those poor souls that live in the Salt Belt. Those poor sons of bitches have frames with the structural integrity of a damn potato chip. Customer brought this one in saying that his brakes aren't working properly. After a brief inspection, the cause of the problem was very apparent. Now, the only question is,
how is that even possible?
Customer brought this one in for a hip replacement after hitting something on the highway doing 100 miles an hour. Apparently BMW denied his warranty request even though he claims it wasn't his fault. Whose fault would it be, dude? Folks, this is a prime example of what happens when you accidentally jump your car with the leads backwards. It's an instant way to give your car advanced dyslexia and panic disorders. Customer brought this in to get checked out due to an issue with his seats getting wet after it rains. Well, I don't know, man. Now hear me out. It might have something to do with this bullet hole you got here, bud.
I did my first desk pop! It's a real thing, right? A desk pop? No, that's not real!
Let me show you why you shouldn't get your exhaust done by that guy that can do it cheaper. The welding is the first thing that sticks out here. The poor quality booger welds is going to be a theme throughout, so we'll move past it. But it gets so much worse. In addition to the insane amount of exhaust leaks everywhere, this dude uses plumbing elbows to make his turns. Where the plumbing didn't line up or fit, it would appear that he did some aggressive massaging with a large hammer. Nothing says performance like nice sharp creases in the piping. Then to finish off this masterclass exhaust he set up, he terminates it with what appears to be Harley pipes. True craftsmanship on display here, folks. Hey, let's take a quick second to thank the sponsor of today's video, realtruck.com. They sent me this undercover swing case and it's quickly become one of my favorite truck upgrades. It mounts right in that dead space between the wheel well and it swings out over the tailgate so you're not crawling into your bed every time you need something. Just pull the latch and it comes right to you.
I'm a god, boy.
It holds up to 75 pounds, which is more than enough for tools and straps and all that random stuff we end up hauling around. The lid is weather sealed and it's lockable, so everything stays dry and secure. The installation is super easy, maybe 30 to 45 minutes with basic tools. If you've got a drill and some patience, you're good. And if you ever need that extra bed space, it lifts right off the lockable hinges in seconds. It is made right here in the good old US of A.
America! Yeah!
And Real Truck backs it with a 1-year warranty. They also offer guaranteed fitment, 30-day returns, and even financing if you're trying to build out that dream setup. Now, if you're ready to actually organize your bed space, check out the undercover SwingCase at realtruck.com. I'll put the link in the description. And thanks again to Real Truck for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get back into it. This Uber driver brought her car in for her annual change, and I think it's a great opportunity to remind all of you of something. Oil needs to be changed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or every 6 to 12 months. That doesn't mean one or the other, it means whichever one comes first. If you're driving 60,000 miles a year, don't get your oil changed annually. You know, being a mechanic for as long as I can remember, it's taught me a few things. One of them being that sometimes it's better to just not ask certain questions. For example, it ain't any of my business why this man has a crescent wrench sticking out of the bottom of his gas tank. Here's a very quick and simple test to determine who is a car person and who is a non-car person. If you see nothing wrong here, you're a non-car person. Congratulations! Customer brought this one in for an oil change. All other services refused because he, and I quote, didn't have time to be scammed. Oh, easy fix, bud. It's dearly discounted, so it won't run you more than a couple of bucks of hard-earned dough. Ain't nothing to see here, folks. Just a BMW doing BMW things. Well, that's going to finish up today's episode. If you actually stayed this long, just know I appreciate you. Before we wrap things up, I want to thank all of my Noobs and training members. We really appreciate your support, and it helps us continue to create content you love. If you have a video you'd like to submit, check out the noobmechanic.com. And feel free to follow our Facebook page for more content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
You should really subscribe to Noob Mechanic. Come along for the